in a stunning exclusive revelation that would reshape the internal dynamics of Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party. Controversial political firebrand and former National and West Provincial Chairperson Themba Mliswa has warned that Vice President Chiwenga might be the real target for removal at the ongoing ZANU-PF annual conference. Speaking to ZimEye in an early morning interview, Mliswa dismissed widespread speculation of an imminent ouster of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, insisting that the embattled leader remains untouchable, while his rivals face precarious futures. It was subscribe like on the bell. Tipina pana pa mnaoma tukona kuti ZimEye room dachinyora achiti Mliswa panguva ine odropa a bombshell achiti Chiwenga could be the one ousted ZANU-PF conference. Central Mirimne na mudanyo kwa mchinzi. The stringent simmer at the party's high-stakes gathering in Harare, a non-elective congress focused on policy and strategy rather than leadership elections. Mliswa painted a picture of absolute control, wielded by Mnangagwa, often referred to as ED. If there is anyone to be chased this week, it could be Chiwenga at Congress because ED can fire anyone at conference, Mliswa declared bluntly. The only safe person at the conference is ED. No one can move the emotion to remove him because it has to be on the agenda, and the conference is not an elective congress like in 2017. Mliswa's comments come amid swirling rumors of factional infighting within ZANU-PF, exacerbated by economic woes, corruption allegations, and lingering resentments from the 2017 military-assisted transition that ousted long-time leader Robert Mugabe. The conference, attended by party heavyweight, provincial chairperson, and security officials, has been billed as a platform for unity, but insiders suggest it's become a battleground for loyalty tests, drawing parallels to the dramatic events of November 2017 when the military's intervention paved the way for Mnangagwa's ascension. Mliswa questioned the power structures that could enable or without any challenge. Who controls the chairpersons? The only person safe is Mnangagwa because he can only be removed at Congress. Nothing will ever happen to Mnangagwa, he asserted. The VP, including Chiwenga, can be fired by ED even as the conference comes to an end. The former lawmaker, known for his outspoken criticism of party hierarchies, went further in dissenting potential military involvement, a perennial flashpoint in Zimbabwe politics. He cast a doubt on Chiwenga's grip over the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, noting the president's recent absence in China during key meetings and who will command soldiers to come out of the barracks. And remember, Chiwenga never promoted enough generals. He kept on the old guard, and the upcoming are looking to the old guard. And ED has been doing that, pushing the young people. Listening. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva ino murisi wakuchibvutidza mafunguro enyu mukudi pamusoro mashoko atogwa naMuliswa ekuti aiwa Chiwenga could be the one ousted at the conference. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu mukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Sawana subscribe or like, chot on the bell icon.